Hello students, it is a question in GATE 2018 for 2 marks in the subject of programming, and here in the question there are two functions are given, fun1, fun2, and a main function is given with some logic. Here it is declared two variables str1 and str2, which is storing with some value high and by. Say str1 contains the value high and one more is str2 contains the value by. Say str1 stored at location 100, str2 stored at location 200. First function fun1 of str1 str2. What is str1? High, str2 by. That str1 and str2 is sent as a parameters to fun1 to variable s1, that is containing high, and one more is s2 containing by. And next here we have one temporary variable tmp, which is not initialized at this point. Next, temp is initialized with s1. What is the value of s1? High. Next statement, s1 equal to s2. Now s1 is changed to by here. Next, s2 equal to temp. This is changed to high. Observe, s1 and s2 in fun1 are called formal parameters, and the function here called is call by value, so that changes on formal parameters does not affect the actual parameters. Okay, so that because it is not affecting the actual parameters, this printf statement is going to print an output of str1 and str2, that str1 is high, str2 is by. Okay, now continue with the second statement. Next it is calling the fun2. Okay, fun2, but now observe here the point, it is calling the function fun2 with a parameters ampersand s1, str1 and str2. Means instead of sending the values, it is sending the addresses, so that it calls the fun2. And here you see fun2 is having two character pointers, one is s1, another is s2. Now s1 contains the address of str1, address of str1 is 100, and s2 contains the address of str2 200, and it is declaring one temporary variable tmp. Now this temporary variable not initialized initially while declaration. Next, temp equal to s1, so that temp stores the value of s1, that is 100, and next statement is pointer s1 equal to pointer s2, means value, what is pointer s1? Value at s1 is changing to value at s2. Here you see s1 is pointing to str1, right, and s2 is pointing to str2. The first statement is pointer temp, temp equal to pointer s1, means what temp is pointing? Temp is also pointing to str1. Next, what it is saying, pointer s1, pointer s1 equal to pointer s2. What is the meaning of pointer s1? Value at s1 is changed to value at s2. What is a value at s1? Value at s1, what is s1? 100. Value at 100 is high, that value at 100 is changing to value at s2. Okay, here I am writing clearly, pointer s1 equal to pointer s2. It means value at s1 is initialized with value at s2. What is a value at s2? s2 is 200. It means value at 200. Value at 200. What is the value at 200th location? and the 200th location the value is by. That by is assigned to value at S1. What is the value of S1? 100. It means value at 100 is changed to by. What is the value at 100 high? Now it is changing to by. Next statement. Pointer S2 equal to temp. What is the meaning of pointer S2 now? Pointer S2 equal to TMP. Now what is TMP? See here, TMP equal to value at S1. Okay, value at S1. What is the value at S1 previously? S1 is 100, previously high. Actually temp is storing high. Now that high is copying into value at S2. What is S2 now? 200. Now value at 200 is changes to high. What is there in the 200 by? Now it is changes to high. Now this function is completed. Then it is returned to printf statement. It is printing str1, str2. What is str1 contains now? By. What str2 contains now? High. So what is the output of the program? High by high. So the answer for this question is high by high. That is an option A.